If you're studying at UNISA and want to supercharge your studies by joining active Telegram groups and easily downloading prescribed books and other important documents, you're in the right place. By the end of this tutorial, you'll know exactly how to find the best UNISA Telegram groups for your modules or qualifications, how to join them safely, and how to access helpful study materials right from your phone or computer. Let's dive right in so you can unlock a world of resources and peer support. First things first, open your Telegram app. This works whether you're using a phone, a tablet, or the desktop version. Just make sure you're logged in. Once you're inside Telegram, tap the search icon, which usually looks like a little magnifying glass at the top right corner. This is your gateway to discovering groups, channels, and resources, as Telegram connects people around shared interests, universities, and more. Now in the search box, you'll want to type specific keywords tailored for UNISA. Here are some good examples. Try UNISA followed by your module code like UNISA COS 1501 or your qualification such as UNISA BCom. Another popular phrase is simply UNISA study groups. These targeted searches filter out all the noise and help you find the study communities that match what you need. For instance, if you're struggling with a particular module, searching for that specific code can lead you straight to students who have taken that same class and are sharing notes or exam tips. As you scroll through the results, keep an eye out for groups with a large number of members. Usually, the bigger the group, the more active and helpful the community will be. You'll often see links that start with TME, which is the standard way Telegram shares group or channel invite links. If you see a group with your module code in the title and a healthy member count, you're likely in the right place. Go ahead and tap on the group name or directly on the invite link. There's a join button near the bottom of the page. One tap and you're officially part of the group. Don't worry if you need to leave later. It's just as easy to exit if you find the group isn't what you expected. Here's something really important. Before you start downloading anything, always check the official sources first. Log into your MyUNISA portal at MyUNISA, AC.za and review your module's site for official announcements and e-reserves. UNISA often provides ebooks and textbooks directly, sometimes through library services like EBSCO, so you're guaranteed to get the latest and most accurate versions that comply with copyright regulations. Once you're comfortable that you're following the rules, it's time to see what Telegram has to offer. Inside these groups, you'll often find files that other students have posted, anything from prescribed textbooks to past question papers. Look for messages that have a small PDF icon or that say things like COS 1501 prescribed textbook. Just tap the file to download it to your device. It might take a few moments, especially if it's a big file, so don't worry if the download isn't instant. Some groups also share links to online drives like Google Drive or Dropbox, where users upload scanned copies of textbooks or additional reading material. Just remember, not all files are created equal. Sometimes these are scanned pages from physical books uploaded by students. They can be a lifesaver in a pinch, but sometimes the quality isn't perfect. Maybe some pages are skewed, blurry, or missing entirely. One last friendly reminder. While Telegram groups can be incredible for peer support, finding notes, or getting quick answers, always prioritize UNISA's official resources first for accuracy and to make sure you're following copyright rules. Think of Telegram as your study group in a coffee shop, super useful, but always best to double-check against the official syllabus. And that's it. Now you know how to confidently join UNISA Telegram groups and how to find and download prescribed books or helpful study documents in just a few steps. If you found this tutorial helpful, please give the video a thumbs up. Drop a comment below if you have any questions or want to share your experience, and don't forget to subscribe for more practical study tips and guides. Thanks for watching and good luck with your studies.